Uh, Hello student, if the dielectrics are used not in series but suppose half of the two parallel plates, half of the area of the parallel plate is covered by the dielectric with dielectric constant epsilon r1 and half of the bottom area is filled by epsilon r2 dielectric constant, then I can say these are two capacitors having capacitance C1 as this epsilon r1 times Ca, air. So epsilon naught A, epsilon R1 A by 2D, white A by 2, in area A by 2, the capacitance is there. Similarly, for second half, lower half, the capacitance can be written as this much. Now, since these two capacitors are in parallel, so I can say the equivalent capacitance is C1 plus C2 and the value as epsilon naught A by D and epsilon naught R1 plus epsilon R2 divided by 2. So this is effective capacitance. Now if one third of the area between the parallel plate of the capacitor is filled with epsilon R1, next one third area by epsilon R2, next last one third area by epsilon R3, then I can say effective the capacitance is epsilon naught A by D, epsilon R1 plus epsilon R2 plus epsilon R3 divided by 3. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.